Shall we begin with this year's runners-up?
Yeah, let's start with the first one, which is just kind of a fun story. So most of us know maybe know what antimatter is. It's regular matter, but that has all of its internal constants flipped. So like electric charge, and there are some other little funky things that are characteristics that get flipped if they become antimatter. So an electron has an antimatter counterpart called a positron, which is exactly like an electron, except it has a positive charge. The funny thing about antimatter is that a positron and an electron that bump into each other annihilate. They just vanish into energy. They just boom, kaboom, there's energy. There's nothing left. So transporting antimatter around is difficult. But at CERN, a bunch of scientists transported a truck full of antimatter, and when I say a truck full, it was 70 protons.
A teeny weeny truck that went on a little road trip.
Yeah, well, I'm not so sure. It wasn't a teeny weeny truck. It was, even though it was only 70 protons, it was actually a rather large machine.
This was the base step experiment at CERN that took a cloud of 70 protons on a trip of 4 kilometres around the lab site, as announced in October, in a special trap that could potentially stop antimatter annihilating with surrounding matter. The researchers already have a version of the trap in the lab, in which antimatter is suspended in an electromagnetic field to keep it from touching the surrounding matter. Now they have shrunk this trap down to a portable version that is 1.9 metres long, so that it can sit on a not teeny-weeny truck, but quite a big truck that can protect it from bumps and shakes as it travels around.